What's up, y'all? This is the Sway and Debo show, and today we'll be explaining the plant cell to you guys. Plant cell and animal cell, but we'll start with plant cell.
First is the cell wall, a rigid layer of non-living material that surrounds a cell of plants and some other organism. That's the plant cell.
Okay, and then you also got a mitochondria in a plant cell, and they produce most of the energy cell that needs to carry out its function.
Then you have a cell membrane, the outside boundary of a cell that controls which substances can enter or leave a cell.
You also have the endoplasmic reticulum. They carry proteins and materials from one part of the cell to another.
Then you have vacuoles. They store food, water, and waste materials in cells.
Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies, they receive proteins and other newly formed materials from the ER, package them and distribute them to other parts of the cell.
Then you have lysosomes. They contain chemicals that break down large food particles and old cell parts.
Nucleus. The nucleus is the cell's control center. It directs all cell activities.
We'll be back after this ad.
Yeah. And they be acting. No. Yeah. This is exactly what we do here. I'm looking right here. And I'm acting. I'm acting like I know what I'm really talking about. I hate y'all laugh anytime I stutter.
Okay guys, we're back from the break. Now we're gonna talk about the animal cell. The animal cell and the plant cell are basically the same two things, but the animal cell doesn't have a cell wall, or the cell doesn't have a chloroplast. Those are the two different things before the animal and the plant cell. Thank you and subscribe.
You got ribosomes, tiny grain-like structures, you feel me, used to make proteins.
Why we can't do this? Let's just start the whole thing over. It's cheese.
And then we got the Golgi body. They reproduce proteins, my fault, and other newly formed materials from the ER.
Treasure just snapped me.
Alright, you say that.
I can't do this. I can't do it.
Oh my god.
Then you guys have ribosomes. Ribosomes are tiny grain-like structures used to make proteins.
Then there's Golgi body. Oh, welcome to my party. Hey, pull up in a Ferrari. Oh.